Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Zipmex account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Zipmex account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in zipmex.com and make a search. You're going to see the official page of Zipmex account appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the login page of your Zipmex account. Now to log into your Zipmex account, enter your email address and password associated with your Zipmex account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your Zipmex account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.